How to log into Kroger Credit Card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you on how to log into your Kroger Credit Card online account. So let's kick things off. First of all, initiate any internet browser, and here we proceed. At this juncture, you will encounter the search bar, enter Kroger Credit Card login, and initiate the search. Next, select the initial website option that is indicating Kroger Rewards World Elite MasterCard. Click on it, and following this, you will be taken to the login portal. Now click on the login button that is just in the right hand side of the screen that is highlighted in blue color. Click on it. And as soon as you do that, you will be directed to a login page where you need to enter the correct form of your username and your password. You can also check this box over here if you want this browser or this device to remember your credentials. Or if you need any login help, you can just simply click on this Get Login Help option over here. And if you'd like to create a new username or your password, you can click on this Create a Username and Password option. After entering the correct form of your username and your password, click on this Login button highlighted in blue color in order to successfully log into your Kroger Credit Card online account. You can also select the option of Get Login Help if you have forgotten your username or your password. Upon completion, hit Login, and by doing so, you will successfully access your account. So this is a method for effortlessly logging into your Kroger Credit Card online account. If you discovered this tutorial beneficial, do remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for your viewership and your support.